Well, as we head back to school, not every child in Clark County will go back to school with the proper supplies. The Richard Harris Law Firm wants to do something about it. They are back again with Project Backpack. Richard Harris, a founding partner, is with me this morning. Good morning, Richard. I think it's fantastic you do this. You're really passionate about helping those in the Valley who may not have what it takes to get back in the classroom.
Good morning. It's great to be here. Yeah, as I mentioned last year when we did this interview, I'm a product of the Clark County School District, and we like to give back at the Richard Harris Law Firm, and we have a number of initiatives, but this one, Project Backpack, I think is my favorite.
Well, it's excellent. You're doing kind of a drive. How long does this event go on, or do your employees participate? Are you inviting the public to participate and help you out?
Sure. So this year we are giving away 12,000 backpacks full of supplies, and we chose 25 at-risk schools where all of the students, 100% of the students, are receiving federal subsidized school lunch. And this is actually more schools than we had last year. Last year there were about 18, 19 schools that we supported, and you know, with the pandemic and the recession, the number of students receiving subsidized lunch is higher, much higher this year. So we chose 25 schools and are supporting them with a backpack full of supplies to each and every one of the students at those 25 schools.
Well, and I hope you get to go down and participate a little bit, because you will for sure see faces light up. Having ownership of something that is so personal, like a backpack, and having your own supplies that are brand new. I mean, it's really exciting. I remember, the thrill of that, and we want every child to have that feeling. I commend you, for sticking with this program, and I think it's really interesting, your connection, because you grew up to the schools here. I mean, Nevada, we've got it tough. We're always listed at the end of the line when it comes to education. What do you think, having grown up here, is kind of one of the things that people can do to support the schools?
So, well, without getting into whether we should break up the school district, which is a very political issue, I think Clark County goes up and down with the economy worse than any other city or county in the country. We tend to roll with it when things are good, and we get hit really hard when things are bad, and it takes a little while to rebound. And with that, coupled with the growth of Clark County, we have a lot of kids that are at risk, and so this is our way of contributing, our way of making sure the kids start off the school year with a win. They don't need any distractions, along with everything else that's going on in the country. A lot of tension, a lot of turmoil, and so we want to give the kids a head start with a brand new backpack full of supplies, so that they can have a fresh start to focus on their teacher, focus on their classes and their curriculum, focus on the other students, and enjoy the school year as much as they can as they learn.
Absolutely. I'm sure you were involved, Richard, in the selecting of some of the supplies that went in the bag. I mean, with me, like as a kid, I remember, top on the list was always a ruler and a number 2 pencil. Is number 2 pencil still a thing? Is that still getting included?
Oh, that's definitely included. The backpacks are brand new, and they're full of pencils, pencil sharpeners, erasers, glue stick, notebooks, scissors, everything a student needs to get a good, fresh start.
I tell you what, I commend you. I know we talked about this program last year. I think it's great you're doing this again, reaching 25, probably primarily Title I schools in need here in the Valley. Can the public help you out at all, or have you got this all taken care of?
So, in addition to the 25 schools that are going to receive a backpack, we're holding an event Saturday, August 6th at our law office. So for any other student who's not a student in one of these schools, they're free to come down and pick out a backpack. Last year, the event was tremendous. We gave over 1,000 backpacks away at our Saturday event. We're intending to do that again. So if these students are not in one of the schools, feel free to come down to our law office Saturday, August 6th between 9 and 12 noon and pick up a backpack. It's going to be a lot of fun and a great way to kick off the school year.
Good for you. You're opening the event to other people in need who might not already be receiving them. Richard Harris, thank you so much for joining me. It was really fun to talk to you. I always enjoy chatting with you, my friend.
It's great to be together again. Thanks.
All right, it is the Richard Harris Law Firm. Folks, you know where it is, downtown on South 4th Avenue. That event he mentioned, we had the info right up on our screen, richardharrislawfirm.com.